So if you are a pickleball player, one of the things that you're going to need to be able to do is you are going to have to drill. And you can do that by yourself. But if you happen to have a partner who is willing to drill with you, not only can you drill what we call the mechanical pillar or stroke mechanics, but you have a very unique opportunity to drill strategy as well. And in this drill video, I'm going to show you how to kill two birds with one stone. Work on your repetition and your stroke mechanics and improve your strategy. So in this drill, Kylene is going to help me out. She's going to be the player up here at the non-volley zone line. She's going to have an opportunity to work on her return side and her punch volleys while we're doing this. For me, I'm going to be working on my third shot, which means my third shot or my fifth shot or my seventh shot or my ninth shot, whatever shot I'm hitting either from the baseline or here in the transition zone until I get up to the kitchen line or the NVZ. So I am working on that shot for the serve side. And one of the things that happens with players is we get this idea that when we're trying to hit this third shot, we are trying to just skim the net and get this into the non-volley zone so that it's not attackable by my opponent. And truly, that's really not what we need to do. We need to be able to give this shot some clearance over the net. The last thing we want to do is hit the ball in the net. As a serve side player in this drill, the worst thing that can happen to me when I'm doing a drill or playing a game is to hit the ball into the net. If I hit the ball in the net, the rally's over. It's done, it's finished. There is nothing else that I can do. And how many times on the serve side have you been rolling along, you're scoring some points, and then boom, you or your partner hit the ball into the net and it kills all of your momentum. So we really want to make sure that we take the net out of play for that third, fifth, seventh shot until we get up to the NVZ. So this drill is not just going to help us with our third shot mechanics, because we get the repetition. It's also going to help us to reset our brains and think a little bit more about the importance of strategy and getting the ball over the net. So as I said, here Kylene is going to stay up at the non-volley zone line. In just a moment, I'm going to go back to the baseline. The scoring in this drill is really simple. I can score points by doing one thing. I can score points by dropping a ball into the non-volley zone, by getting it to land in the non-volley zone. Okay, that's how I score points. Every time I hit a ball that lands, that bounces in the non-volley zone, I am going to get 1 point. Now, Kylene can score points in this game also, but it's not dependent on Kylene's play. It's actually dependent on my play. Every time I hit the ball into the net, Kylene gets 3 points. So Kylene and I have changed sides. There's a lot of action going on at the pickleball courts today. And so the good news here is I can do this drill cross court. You can do it down the line too. I like to do it cross court because I think it mimics the way that most players hit the dink. So again, if I hit in the net, she gets 3 points. If I land it in the non-volley zone, I get 1. So go ahead, Kylene. She starts the game with a feed. Here we go. All right. Oh, I don't get 1. Kylene's tough. Oh, I finally got 1. I like that. Oh, I don't get 2. Uh-oh. CJ hit it into the net. So while I had got 1, the score is I got 1, Kylene's got 3. All right, Kylene, you ready to go again? Here we go. So I'm getting that chance to work on my mechanical errors, but I'm also getting a chance to work on my strategic play. There we go. I got 1. Oh, I got 2. I like that. But now I knocked the ball into the net. I got 2, so I think I have a total of 3 now, right? But Kylene has 6, my 2 big misses, right? It's got to hurt when you miss that drop into the net. All right, so here we go. Oh, she's strong with that volley. I got 1. Oh, going for the long cross court. Remember that net's a little higher over on that other side. All right, so I got another one, so I think I'm at 4, but Kylie is already at 9, and this is a game to 11, okay? This is a game to 11, so 4 misses and we're done. Uh-oh, lots of pressure on me. Here we go, Kylie, here we go. Uh-oh, going for too much again, trying to skim that net. So the point of this drill is this, is you want to feel a lot of pain when you hit the ball into the net. At least if I get it over, I have that ability to defend the shot. And by using this 2-player drill, you not only get to practice and work on your stroke mechanics of the third shot drop, but you also get to think about the strategy and the things that you need to do when you are out playing on the pickleball court. Now, if you'd like more drills, click on this video right over here. And if you would like to improve both your mechanical or your strategic drills, then join us in the Better Pickleball Academy. You'll get information by clicking this link down below. We'll see you in class.